challenge, fun video, like it and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Like it and subscribe. Those who are watching my video new, please subscribe and like it. So we brought another Apple product today. It's the Apple TV 4K. Don't mind that. And yeah, it's, let me check, it's 4K HDR, 64 gigabytes, and yeah, it's designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. The new about this is the remote here, as you can see. Yeah. And yeah, apps, there are App Store, Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, thousands of more apps. You could control it by your iPhone or tablet, and you could also listen it from your AirPods. See here, Apple TV 4K. Did I told you the 64 gigabytes? I think yeah. Okay, let's get opening. There is no see. Great. Oh my god, while cutting it, this thing is so sharp. I like opening packets or packs. Let's keep this down. So many. Wow! Apple TV. Great. What's down here? Wow. You see? It's Apple here. And here, as you can see, here it's written the Apple TV. Let's open this. Oh, this is a round part. Oh my god. This is awesome. Shiny. This is the HDMI cable. Let's see the controller. Right. I get confused by the Apple because here sometimes there is Apple and this is also Apple. I thought this was a cover too. So here you can see. At last time there was like a mouse like that, and here is the new button like hey Siri, we could say it like that. Yeah, it's pretty nice. And by this button you could off the whole TV, entire TV, means the screen also. Okay, did they give Apple stickers? Yes they did. I like stickers. I keep them safe. Wow! These are baby Apple stickers. Actually, those were baby Apple stickers. Is this the C charger? I think it's the C. No, it's not the C. It's like the iPhone for the, yeah, for this. Fits properly. What else? Nothing. See, it's a heavy box actually. You don't know that. Okay. And now in this video I'm going to show you how it works and the review too. So I'll come back in 5 minutes. So guys, yeah, I just watched a video how to set up this, and yeah, I didn't told you last time that these two, this is the power cable and this is the internet cable, and I told you this HDMI. So we'll put the HDMI cable, and now we will just put the power cable in. Is it right? Wow, I just heard a crack. Like, electric. So let's on it with this controller. Yep, it worked. So let's see. Wow, I'm out of my head. But I don't know anything. So I'll go with English. Wow, this thing has a sensor on this. Not United States. Okay. Let's continue this. Okay. Set up the time. Yeah. Unlock the phone on camera. Oh my god. I'll just keep this here. Okay, my father will unlock it. Yeah, there. Turn on Bluetooth. Connect to Wi-Fi. Yeah, this thing will come here. You should press setup. It's see here. You see the code. We should put that 3. Press continue. Go. 11. Yeah. Why should I put? Do? Oh my god, yes. Yeah, this was not good, I guess. So, no, I have this Xbox controller. In the next video, I'll connect this and show you we can even play games on this. So yeah, bye, have a good day.